Today I'm going to show you guys how to set up Hello World and ATAK-Civ. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the TAK-Dev website and then go to ATAK-Civ under products. Then you're going to scroll down here and go to developer resources. Then you're going to download this zip right here. While you wait for that to download, you're going to want to pull up Android Studio and start that download. So for that, you're just going to go to the website and download Android Studio. Just do that. I'll be right back once those are done downloading. Alright, once you're done installing, you're going to go up to your downloads and click on the Android Studio download. And this should pop up. You're just going to follow through with the prompts. Next, install, and wait for it to install. As you can see right here, I took the ATAK-Civ that installed and I just put it on my desktop so I can get to it easier later. And now I'm going to open Android Studio right here. So after you follow through the prompts, it should just open. More thing to add, whenever you go to the TAK-CIV website and you sign up, you'll need to set up an authenticator. Alright, so now we have Android Studio open. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take the ATAK-Civ SDK zip and we're going to unzip it. So I'm just going to throw this all back onto my desktop right here. Now, the next thing you're going to do is to get this all set up and running in Android Studio. Just going to click Open, Users, your user. Then if you put it in downloads or left it in there, you'll go to downloads. If you moved it to desktop like me, you'll just click desktop. Then you'll click on the SDK, then you'll click samples, and then you'll click Hello World and OK. Just trust the project and wait for it to build. So once this pops up, you'll see that all your Gradle project shit is syncing. And if you click build down here, you can see it. A bunch of stuff is installing and just kind of getting itself set up. So also I've noticed there will be a few errors. You'll always see this local test files not found. I'm not really sure if there's a way to fix that. And I've also noticed if you upgrade Gradle versions, apparently bad shit happens. So unless you need to, don't do it. Alright, so quick file structure tour that I'm going to show you guys real quick, just for those of you that don't know. Right up here we got our manifest and COM. If you go under ATAK map, Android, Hello World, these are all the plugins and stuff that goes along with it. Under these two are just tests. If you open them, you'll see some errors. If you guys need help with that, let me know. I've not found any use for those files though. So anyways, under res you'll find layout, which has all the XML files, you know, the layouts for them. It's been pretty important. Other than that, I don't think there's much else that's crazy important, except maybe like some of the assets that has some pictures. But yeah, that's the general tour, and that's how you get Hello World set up. All you have to do from there, if you want to run it, is you'll just plug in your device or set up a virtual machine on here. If you guys need help setting up a virtual machine, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.